Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, so now I have here pictures and I want you to observe. And now I will give you 5 seconds to observe the picture. So this is the following pictures. Are you done to observe the pictures?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now, what can you see in the picture? Yes, Chaan?
It is a pedestrian lane.
Okay, it is a pedestrian lane. So where do you usually see the pedestrian lane? Yes, Desiree?
In the highway, teacher.
Okay, very good. In the highway or in the road. So have you ever tried to cross a pedestrian lane?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so do you think it is safe to cross the pedestrian lane?
Yes, teacher.
How do you say so? Yes, Desiree?
Because there is the only way. That is the only way to save to cross the lane, teacher.
Okay, another one, another answer. Yes, Shaan? How do you say so that it's safe to cross pedestrian lane?
It is safe to cross a pedestrian lane because we are guided by enforcer by crossing that lane.
Okay, very good. Pedestrian is the guided to cross in the road. So now, what else can you see in the pedestrian lane? Yes, Desiree?
A line, teacher.
Okay, a line. Can you point where is the line? Come here in front and point where is the line.
This is the line, teacher.
Okay, very good. There is the line. So now, can you draw a line here in the board?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Thank you, Desiree. So now, class, what is the line? What is the line? Yes, Desiree.
Line is a set of all points between and beyond the 2 points.
Very good. Line is the set of all points. It beyonds the 2 points. So this is the 2 points. Between and beyond the points. So, again, what is line?
Line is a set of all points between and beyond the 2 points.
Okay, very good. Now, everybody, please read.
Line is a set of all points between and beyond 2 points.
Okay, very good. So now, what did you observe in the lines of pedestrian lanes? Yes, Sha'an.
It has a straight line, teacher.
Okay, it has its straight line. What else? What did you observe in the pedestrian lane? Yes, Desiree.
There is equal line, teacher.
Okay, there is equal line. So can you point where is the equal line in the pedestrian lane?
Here, teacher.
Okay. This is the equal line. So now, what do we call to the pairs of line that do not intersect even if extended in either direction? Yes, Desiree.
Parallel line, teacher.
Okay, very good. It is parallel line. So now, what is parallel line? Yes, Shaan.
Parallel line lines are lines that do not meet at any point.
Okay, very good. Parallel lines are
Lines that do not meet
That do not meet at any point.
any point. So, again, here is the point of parallel line. These do not meet any point because beyond between to beyond points. Now again, what is parallel line? Yes, Shaan?
We can describe and illustrate parallel line if the two lines do not meet at any point.
Okay, very good. Now everybody please read all together.
We can describe and illustrate parallel lines are lines that do not meet at any point.
Okay, very good. So now let's move to the second picture. Now, in the second picture, what did you observe? Yes, Shaan?
It is a road, teacher.
Very good. It is a road. So where do you usually see the road? Yes, Desiree?
In the highway, teacher.
Very good, in the highway. So now, what can you say about the road? Based from the picture, yes, Desiree?
It has a two-way, teacher.
Okay, very good. It has a two-way. So, where is the center of the road? Can you point? Shaan, please come in front and point the center of the road. Can you point? Very good. This is the center of the road. Now, this is the center of the road. So, do you think this road meet at a point or in the center?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, now can you draw a line that meet in the center?
Yes.
Shaan? Draw the line that meet at center. Draw the line that meet at the center. Okay, very good. Do you think Shaan's draw is correct that this is meet at the center?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this is the center. Now, when the line meet at point or in the center, what pair of line is this? What pair of line is this? When the line meet at point or in the center? Yes, Shaan?
Intersecting line.
Very good. Intersecting line. Now, class, how can we describe and illustrate an intersecting line? Yes, Shaan.
Intersecting lines are lines that cross each other.
Okay, very good. Can you repeat the answer of Shaan, Desiree? How can we describe and illustrate?
We can describe and illustrate intersecting lines if the lines that cross each other.
Very good. Now everybody, please read.
We can describe and illustrate an intersecting lines if the lines that cross each other.
Okay, very good. Now, let's move to the last picture. Now, class, in the last picture, what did you observe? Yes, Desiree?
Window, teacher.
Very good. It is a window. So, where do you usually see the window? Yes, Sha.
In the house, teacher.
Very good. In the house or the classroom. Now what else did you observe in the window? Yes?
There is a line.
Very good. There is a line. So, do you think did the line intersect too?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, if the line intersect too, what angle form on this? Yes? Shaan?
Right angle and square corners.
Okay, right angle. So, please come in front and point the angle that form. Okay, very good. And now, can you draw a line? Can you draw a line that also intersects and form an angle? Very good. Do you now based from the draw Shaan, do you think it is form right angle?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now what pair of line that intersects and form right angle? Yes, Shaan.
Perpendicular line.
Very good, perpendicular line. So what is perpendicular line? Yes, Desiree?
Perpendicular lines are the lines that intersect and form right angle and square corners.
Okay, very good. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect form right angle or square corner. So now class, how can we describe and illustrate perpendicular line? Yes, Shaan.
If the lines intersect and form right angle and square corners.
Okay, very good. Now everybody, please read all together.
We can
Describe
describe
and illustrate intersecting lines if the lines that cross each other.
Okay, very good. Again, what is the line that do not meet at any point? Yes, Desiree? Yes, Desiree, what lines that do not meet at any point? Yes,
Parallel
Anna.
lines, teacher.
Very good, parallel lines. And how about the lines that cross each other? Yes, Desiree?
intersecting line, teacher.
Okay, very good. Intersecting line. And how about lines that intersect to and form right angle or square corners? Yes, Shaan?
Perpendicular lines.
Okay, very good. Perpendicular lines. So now, what are the three lines that we have discussed? Yes, Desiree?
Parallel line, intersecting lines, and perpendicular lines.
Okay, very good. Now, how can we describe and illustrate parallel line?
Are lines that do not meet at any point.
Okay, very good. And now, how can we describe and illustrate intersecting lines? Yes.
Intersecting lines are lines that cross each other.
Okay, very good. We can describe and illustrate intersecting lines.
Because they don't cross each other.
Okay, very good. And how about the perpendicular line? How can we describe and illustrate? Yes, Desiree.
We can describe and illustrate perpendicular line if the intersect and form right angle and square corners.
Okay, very good. Now everybody, please read all together.
We can describe and illustrate parallel lines with lines that do not meet at any point. We can describe and illustrate intersecting lines with the lines that cross each other. We can describe and illustrate perpendicular lines that intersect and form right angle and square corners.
Okay, very good. So now class, did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so that's all for today. You may now go home. Thank you, grade 4.
Thank you, teacher.